Within the Google Display Network, responsive ads are being replaced by responsive display ads as the default ad choice. Hello, I'm Muzair and thanks for watching this video. There are a number of benefits to using responsive display ads. In this video, I will set out my top 5 reasons why they should form part of your campaigns. Optimization. If you have uploaded a few different assets into Google Ads, Google can create a responsive display ad by using a machine learning model. This will determine the best combination of your content for each ad placement using predictions based on your performance history. Reach. Because you can upload multiple assets for each ad, you can achieve a much broader reach with display ads than by responsive ads alone. Google will assemble the best ad that is automatically adjusted for size, appearance, and format so that it fits into any available placement. Videos. I would strongly advocate the use of video in your marketing campaigns to help build connections, trust, and brand awareness. Adding videos into your responsive display ads means that you can really maximize your reach, as Google will show videos instead of images wherever they feel it will drive better performance for you. Dynamic remarketing. By attaching a feed to your campaign, you can help your responsive display ads to support dynamic remarketing. This means the ads will show personalized content to customers from a feed that you control. Upload display ads. For even more control over the content of your display campaigns, you can also upload your own built image ads. These can be created externally to Google Ads and then uploaded. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.